Well, hello, everybody. Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and DougRuckerSchool.com. Had a gentleman visit us last week at our school from Spain. He flew in all the way from Spain. So I sat down, talked with him a little bit. Just wanted to try to give you a perspective on how I do things, what we go over at our school, and kind of get his viewpoint and his perspective on how his experience was. So stay tuned for that next. So, folks, I'm here with Peter Harding, who flew all the way in from Spain for our monthly school that we held on August, I think it was 8th or 9th or 10th or 11th.
15th.
Huh?
14th and 15th.
14th and 15th. There you go. He remembers. So, Peter, it's really cool. I've had people here before from South Africa, Bahamas, Thailand, all kinds of places, and I never really took the opportunity to sit down and chat with them for a little bit. So I guess I wanted to ask you, because I always teach the 6 most important words that you can ever say to a customer are,
How did you hear about me?
how you learned it. How did you hear about me?
I learned that in the class.
You learned that in the class. That's great. So how did you hear about my school?
Well, looking back, I think my initial introduction to you was on YouTube. I had this idea, passion for getting into the business probably about 10 years ago now.
Okay.
And you weren't the first guy that I came across with videos on YouTube and what have you, but there wasn't a whole package available when it came to free information on YouTube, a school being offered, and to buy the equipment, everything under one roof.
Right.
And that was initially the big attraction to me. And I've watched maybe too many of your videos.
I'm sorry about that.
And they're very easy to understand, very clear from a novice point of view, somebody who's totally new to this industry. And that's followed through right the way through the course as well.
So you live in Spain, because when I saw your registration come across to Spain, my thought was, okay, well, he lives in the Houston area or in the States somewhere. He's just from Spain type thing. But you actually got on an airplane in Spain and flew.
Well, yeah, I'm originally, as you might hear from my accent, I'm originally from London.
Right.
And I moved to Spain to look after my folks who emigrated there a long time ago. And to get here, I flew from Alicante in Spain to London, Heathrow. Stayed with a friend a couple of days, then from Heathrow to Houston.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And you've been here for a little bit.
I've been here now probably about 10 days or so. Flying back on Thursday.
Okay. So you came out to the school on Monday and Tuesday. We did the hands-on training at my house.
That's right.
On Monday. And then Tuesday was the classroom training. So talk a little bit about your experience with that.
Okay. So nice bunch of guys. Some that were in the class have been in the business for a while. There was another guy who was completely new to the business like myself. First day meeting at your place, we got to be hands-on with the equipment, which for me was invaluable because I've never held this sort of equipment in my hands before.
Right.
And there were things that you may have said that weren't important to you, but for somebody new into this industry were invaluable, little nuggets of gold of what you've learned over your years in the business. So that was great. Nice bunch of guys too. The day went really quick, I gotta say. And For me, it was enough. Any more would have been a bit of overload for me. But it was complete, full, and enjoyable, I got to say.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's one of the things that I try to concentrate on at my school is teaching the basic fundamentals, soft washing with a dedicated pump,
Yeah.
downstreaming, how you hook those injectors up, why they work, how they work, all of that sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then day 2 of the training was here in the classroom, which gets a little bit intense, doesn't it?
Yes, it was a full day. Well, half a day.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the way the course was broken down into particular parts of the business,
Right.
Was a help to get through it. It was a lot of information to take in. But yeah, it was very complete, I thought.
Right.
Yeah.
So we go over the house washing. We've got 4 different modules: house washing, roof cleaning, concrete cleaning, property protection.
Yeah.
But one of the things I do is give y'all access to that, what we went over Tuesday, via video.
Yeah.
So that you can go back to Spain or wherever the person may be, they can watch the classroom portions on video. So it's not like I'm just trying to throw people out to the
Absolutely not.
wolves.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
You got to remember everything, and I try to make it relaxing. And they even tell people you don't have to worry about taking notes or taking pictures of the slides because you have access to this via video once you leave here.
Absolutely.
One of my favorite sayings is, just because the school ends doesn't mean the education is over.
That's
I continue to help you, help any student that's paid to attend my school. Text me, call me, email me, whatever you need help, I'm here to help you.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we do on the second day. And so we're also working right now on getting you some equipment.
That's right.
Shipped over to Spain.
Yep.
You're looking at a hot water rig and some surface cleaner and some other items.
That's right.
And so, as a matter of fact, I followed up with the freight company today, and they're still working on the logistics of getting it to Spain.
Okay.
But hopefully, we have an answer for that today.
Perfect.
So just so everybody knows, we can arrange that kind of shipping for equipment and things like that. We have a lot of people that want to ship a ball valve or a little swivel or something out of the country. We just can't, do that. So, but it's been great talking to you. I really appreciate you coming in. I get really humbled and a little proud at the same time when I know somebody has taken the time to come from someplace like Spain or South Africa or Thailand or whatever.
Right.
And just, you and I just kind of hit it off, and I just wanted to get people to meet you and see you and that type of thing. So anything else you want to tell the folks?
Well, for me, the overall experience for me has been invaluable. To actually being face to face isn't so much better than these videos. Mm-hmm. Being face to face,
right,
and that communication you get when you're in that environment.
Correct.
So my overall experience has been very positive, and you can't compare watching videos to being face to face with someone like Doug, who knows what they're talking about, that's had many years of experience. It's been totally worth it for me.
Awesome. Appreciate you coming out.
Cheers, okay?
And best of luck in Spain.
Thank you.
I knew, I could tell by the accent there was something a little off with this Spain-Australian thing going on, but I'm glad you cleared that up. But,
cool.
No, but it's been great meeting you. I've enjoyed the time we've had together, and look forward to continue working with you in the future.
Absolutely. Good luck, everyone.
Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys have an awesomely blessed day.
Dane Perkins with Top Notch Pressure Washing. I just wanted to give some credit where credit's due, and this Doug Rucker course is absolutely phenomenal. And basically, it's for people that if you start a business and you're wanting to get to the next level and have good, knowledgeable work and be better at what you do, this is the course for you. If you feel like you hit a point in your career where you're like, I want to take it to the next level, I just want to have that great customer satisfaction rating, this is the place to do it, while also getting good information about how to do your job, the right products to use. And anyway, this place has been a blessing, and not only did I learn about this business, I also added new members to my family. So this place is a very family-oriented place to learn. And if you want to learn, here it is. So, Doug Rucker course.